Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the Always On Display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now here in the search bar, let's enter the Movies Edge. And here we should just tap to install this application. That's why just let's wait a couple of seconds while our application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the application and click Draw Over Apps. Then select Movies Edge application here, click once on the switcher and go back to the application. After that, tap here to the Always On Display and select one from the available tabs. Let's use for example this one, and now just let's lock the device. Press twice on the power key and we can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.